Alright, we've finished the head. Got it all painted. We got the eyes put in, let them set up and dry. You can see where I have my back there where that. So what we're going to do now is we want to get the mouth hooked up to make sure the mouth's working properly before we seal it all up. So I'm going to use some Johnson's paste wax here. And I always put some on the inside. This is just so that it helps to slide the mouth, that it doesn't stick. A little up here on the teeth. Sometimes the paint wants to catch and stick. Put some on this. And then we'll put some here on the side also. So we're going to hook the mouth up. We have our 3-inch spring. So we got that hooked up. Now we're going to take our nylon, 24-inch nylon string here, and we're going to get it hooked on. So we tie this in a knot. And then to keep it from coming unraveled on us, we also want to put a staple in here to hold it. So during use, it doesn't come untied on you. Have our spring on there. I think we're going to be fine. So we're going to line up our holes, and we want to screw our hinge back on. You want to make sure you got this correct before you put it all back together, because once you put your wig on and then you find out your mouth's not working properly, then you got to tear it all back apart. So make sure this is proper before you seal it all up. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put it in my comment section. I'll get back with you. Also going to take a little paste wax and we'll put it up here on our dowel. That just helps it to slide better. And we'll hook this up. Take our string up over top our dowel, and then it goes down through the mouth again, or through the neck. Check our tension on it, make sure everything's working properly before we seal it up. And that's working good. So the last thing we want to do is we want to take our 1-inch ring and tie this on. I always leave the string long so whoever buys this can adjust it on how they want it. If they want the ring up lower than this, then they can do that. I find the ring works better than a lever because you can use it with your finger or your thumb for either hand. So that's working good. So now we can put the back of the head on, and then we can work with the wig and get it finished up. Thanks for watching.